Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Barok lapi ong mangane manu manuru, kaan ke dekaan. Dia ke bang kerpat di kolong bang de ban burong birai, bat ba habni ong kaan kilo enforcing agency pamut ki haple ya ka bade ne hakabide pede bat kejing bu appointment jongki menin hakaba I home minister la ilai kendu de ngasung tena cebun la kendu ya seng halang ki leaders de nakaliam jongaru la syai kasni ibu appointment yak sabat ngaru de again tomorrow ngani kendu iki kumbanga ong ipi ba kajing kan jongi kapli apa scripture habadon kanu ki isu la don kanu ka agenda ka bangi ko ngani kren ni don hande bangin hekren ni slop ni perlu jumurang bat bangan kremen scan ba ni ki seng halangu la syai ni ni nyalong ko constructive discussion apdeng jongi nak lihat komen bat nak kalian joki ki isu ba punya keren yang kata nampak lapan orang ini telah saya ngisi dulu punya keren sebenarnya ba la penur kumau ngin ya lek kat pala ban penting na ba kalau no ada tam dei ban mdei balak ban simti manu kan ingin ayat kan manu tak kuna bangan tangi kendu saya ngin dang ya keren dengan nembatai lepan tak kesini namangan kendu ya kila saya officially whatever you say that procession they had after the meeting. Well, now again the law will proceed, and you must have seen few arrests also made. Then number two, yesterday, because unfortunately I was not also in station, I went down to my meeting in my constituency, so I came to know only in the evening. I'm sure, as I said to you, leaders of the NGOs, they are also responsible citizens of the state. They are here also to serve the people of the state. So I appeal and I request all concerned, we should abide by the law. We should abide by the rules which is already in place throughout the state. For that, I have no comment. As I said, I don't know whether it is politically motivated or not. I think let the people judge. If it is so, people will judge. People will understand. But as of now, I don't have any comment on that question. As I said to you, because personally, I'm taking it that okay, they are also concerned. Governments are concerned. So we will sit down, walk out. How to proceed further and then to make sure that law and order in the state prevails at any cost.